Are you gonna eat your?
Serenity.
Are you gonna eat your shrimp? Hold on,
now.
Cookie. Are you gonna eat your shrimp?
You want it unzipped or zipped?
It doesn't matter. It'll be sitting on my
You don't want
finger.
shrimp?
Cold enough outside. I don't think that happens.
You want shrimp? Not doing anything.
Trying to get up now.
Come. Don't keep Cookie away. I want to see her go back to sleep.
Come on.
Bye, Cookie. Bye, Cookie. I love you. Okay, stop kicking me.